Hello, everyone. I hope that all of you are healthy as we kind of face this unprecedented time in our country's history. I have finished grading all of your assignments for Module 2. So you should have feedback for your Milestone 1, your Globus Landsat assignment, and your scenario assignment. If you have not turned in one of those assignments, please turn it in as soon as possible so you can get some credit for completing that assignment. Everyone did fairly well on all of these assignments for Milestone 1. The vast majority of you picked areas and locations that'll work really well for your final project. The main critique was that some of the areas might have been too large, and that you need to narrow down the scale of the area of study. As far as the Globus assignment, everyone that turned it in typically did a really good job on the assignment. I know that this was a challenging assignment because the Globus tutorial had not advanced with the new Globus online interface. And I know many of you were able to work through and complete that assignment, so thank you for persevering through that. And then as far as the scenario assignment went, the professional report, generally everyone did do that well did well as well. I would have liked to seen some of the assignments organized a little better to address the prompt components and to look like something that you would submit to a potential client that was looking for your advice and potentially business. As far as the content, everyone included most of the major elements, particularly the step-by-step approach. Some of you did not go into detail about why passive remote sensing is limited in collecting some wavelengths, but the major thing that I didn't really mark off for, but I did want to see and want to make sure everyone knows, is that when you're using Landsat data, in particular for this application, Landsat would be good at telling or at determining algal bloom extent using some of the different band combination, but Landsat uses a 30-meter or a 15-meter spatial resolution, so it would be very difficult to determine different vegetation types just because of the large area that resolution represents. You would probably need a drone or some aerial imagery that has a much finer spatial resolution so that you could determine different vegetation types. So overall, good work on this on Module 2's assignments, and I look forward to seeing more of the same quality of work.